If you want to change the theme language of your Shopify store, in most cases, it's very easy to do for most themes. So first of all, you have to be logged into your admin panel of your Shopify store, then click on Online Store, then wait for the page to load and look for your active theme, in my case, Dawn. Then click on Actions, then look for Edit Languages. So once the page loads up, look at the top right corner where you see Change Theme Language. Currently it's set to English, but let's switch to French. And once I click Save, it will automatically translate the theme language to French. So save. Now let's go to the website front page and let's just focus here. As you can see, all this is currently in English, but once I refresh the page, it will be all in French. Here we are. It has been all translated. And in fact, you can make some edits to the text and languages here. It's real easy to do. Just let's add a column here. Go back to the admin panel, then type in the text here, and then look for this part. Here we are. Save. As you can see, there's a column. So you can make changes, you can edit it to your liking. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you want to learn more about Shopify, please ensure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.